So today I'll be sharing one of my new hobbies that I'm doing right now together with my mom, lalo na ngayong pandemic, and that is diamond painting, or also known as pagdudot-dot. Okay? Ano nga ba ito? Dahil dyan, make sure to watch this video until the end because I'll be giving away 2 sets of diamond paintings. So if you want to know how to win this, I will let you know at the end of this video. So stay tuned. Hello Philippines! Hello everyone! It's a lovely day to have a great life. Welcome back to Emery Show. Ano nga ba yung diamond painting? So ito siya. Ganito siya. Ta-da! This is my first ever diamond painting that I am so proud of. There you go. Diba? It's really pretty. Yeah? There. So to give you a brief background or brief history about diamond painting, so what I researched about this one is that modern diamond painting was invented by a company based in China, named Guangdong Dazu. A patent was invented in 2010. Okay, so before this one, the diamond painting is usually placed on a velvet. Velvet siya. Meaning yung pinaka-pinagdidikitan niya is velvet. However, it is hard to create a glue paste on the velvet. So now the new patent one in 2010, the beads now can be placed or stick on a plastic canvas. Yan. So here you go. So this one, yung texture niya is like a tarpaulin or a streamer type. So that's the texture of the base or parang yung pinagdidikitan ng beads. Yan, yun lang yung short history of this diamond painting. So originally sa China siya nanggaling. Now, if you be buying this, if you want to start, what's inside? So usually it's in a box like this one. Like what I showed a while ago that I'll be giving away is this one. This type. It's like nakalagay siya sa bubble wrap. Now, what's inside now? So just to show you, okay, just open this one. Ay! Sorry sa pagbibigyan ko nito. Just to show you, okay? Now, here's the sample in a set of diamond painting. So usually what's inside, of course, is yung canvas itself. And it also includes this, yung tools. They have the tray. The pink one, that is the clay. I know it's like a glue type. Yeah. And then the pen or the drill pen, as they call it. Now the beads is like this. Ta-da! See that? Yeah. And as you can see, there are also numbers corresponding to each color. So basically, it's like you are painting by numbers or by codes, because on each canvas, like this, there's this, if you can see it, there's a code, there's a number and a code. You can see here the code, can you see it? And the code and yung kanyang corresponding letter or number or design, may corresponding color siya. So parang if kung nakapag cross stitch ka na, Same lang din siya. Ganun lang din siya. Now, the difference is, we are using beads. Beads, they call it resins, they call it diamonds. Yan. Now, there are two types of diamonds. So, we have round. Nakita mo dyan. If you can see it clearly, the beads are round. Round beads. The second type is the square beads, like this one. Then currently, my current project that I'm working on, can you see it? Can you see it closely? Yeah. Yan. So, the square naman siya. Diba? Now, they say it's easier to use the round beads. So, now, swerteng mananalo ng diamond painting. That one is round beads. Pinakamadali is round. Mas madali siyang ipagkabit-kabit, i-dikit-dikit. The square ones kasi, syempre, di ba, pag square, you need to align it so that wala siyang gaps. So, sometimes, nasa-stress ako. because I'm OC type of person that I want the beads to be aligned in one line, ganyan. So basically, these are the things that you need to know when you do your diamond painting. The reason why I love this one, it's because it helps me to distress. Well, I know sa square beads, medyo minsan stress ako, but it's so fun to do, especially for those who loves art. Perfect din to kasi para ka nagko-coloring lang ng coloring book or you're doing painting, but this time you don't need to think of what color to put. Hindi ka naman stress doon. You don't need to think about it. All you need to do is just follow the codes written. Just to show you. Yan. Example, may mga code yan. You're gonna follow that one. Yung mga patterns na nakalagay dyan. You're gonna look here kung ano yon anong corresponding code niya. You don't need to think hard, to be stressed. Ano kaya magandang color na i-color ko dito kasi nandun na siya. So, like this one. Yeah. So, this one, ano size to? 30 by 40. Able to finish this like 5 days. Yeah, 5 days. 4 hours in a day. Tapos, hindi mo mamamalayan yung oras. Naka 4 hours ka na pala sa paggawa. So, talagang it's really fun to do for me. Personally, I love doing this one. Now, this one, this project that I'm currently doing, ang size niya is 100 by 50 centimeters. So, diba? Ang haba. Now, what's the purpose of the wax? Or you can also use blue tack. Yung color blue, yan. Blue tack. You can use this as well. So, basically, ang gagawin mo lang is kuha ka dito sa wax na to or yung blue tack if you prefer that one. Kuha ka lang dyan. Nalagay mo rito kasi sa drill pen, meron siyang para siyang there's a hole. I don't know if you're able to see it there. Ganyan. Medyo hindi siya mag-focus. Basta, ano siya. There's a hole inside and then all you have to do is you're gonna put it there. Ganyan. Inside. You can see it? Para dumikit yung beads to help you get a bead and then place it on your canvas. Now with this one, yan, you can buy, ito we just bought this from SNR. Yeah. And then we just labeled kung ano yung code niya for this color. Yan. So, ganito siya. Like this one. Ta-da! Can you see that? So, ang daming colors. And it's so cute. They're so colorful. Nakakatuwa. Lalo na sa mga mahilig sa art, sa mga beads. Sarap niyang tignan. From this one, I received this inclusion siya ng meron siyang ganito. So you can put more beads in one. Parang pwede kang kumuha isahan. Like for this one, I can have 4 beads here. And then dikit ko siya dun sa pare-parehong codes or pare-parehong numbers. Yan, so isang dikit lang. Naka-helera na siya doon or naka-align na siya doon. There. Now, yung pala, another one is I bought a light pad. Well, it's up to you if you want to use a light pad or a lampshade to help you. Hindi siya necessary to really buy this one. You can just use your lampshade to help you. But me, and even my mom prefers using this one. Yan, nag-light siya ganyan. So, and then I'll just put on top of the light pad. Ay, sorry. So, with that one, with the help of the light pad, it's easy for me to see the letters, the numbers, the design, the code dun sa canvas. You can buy one sa Shopee, and even this one, yung mga materials, yung diamond painting, you can buy sa Shopee. You better be sure to really check everything because there are light pads that are expensive, but this one is around 400 lang to. And ang size niya is A4. I think one of the reasons why this is now becoming popular here in the Philippines is because, like, one, you don't need any prior experience to diamond painting. Another one, you can also bring out your inner artist. And I think diamond painting helps to relieve stress. And I do believe on that one. It helps release all the stress that builds up during the day. So usually I do my diamond painting at night before I sleep. Another one, the best one here, is the whole family can diamond paint together. Like my mom and I do this every night. The whole family can join in and diamond paint together. So you can buy a big canvas and work on one painting as a family, or everyone can have their own paintings. And you can also make great homemade gifts for friends and family. And one of I research about is that diamond painting helps to improve concentration because the brain needs exercise. Remember from my previous episodes about self-care, ensure that we are taking care of our mental health. Concentrating on detailed work is a great way to exercise your brain. You can meet a new group of friends. Diamond painting has become so popular so quickly that there are a lot of people who enjoy this craft. And it also helps your fine motor skills. If you don't have a lot of opportunities to use your hand-eye coordination skills, the diamond painting will provide an outlet for you. Like staring at the little tiles and placing each diamond in its spot is intricate work that develops your fine motor skills. So, by the way, of course, as I mentioned that you can meet new friends here. So, I want to shout out sa group or sa community that I joined in sa Facebook. Diamond Painting Lover PH, best DP group in the Philippines. Yan, shout out sa group dyan. Ang admin is si Bricks na Tagok. Another group is Diamond Painting Community, the PH chapter. Kay Maureen Galang San Pedro ang admin. And shout out din to Diamond Painting PH na admin is si Kathy Kenny Balmores. I want to shout out as well kay City Almi Alo Mamayog from Parang Maguindanao who is watching right now. Thank you so much for supporting. For next episode, I'll be showing how to seal your diamond painting. Yes, meron pong pagsiseal na nagaganap after doing the diamond painting. May seal kang gagawin para mas mag-long last yung beads or mas dumikit siya mabuti sa canvas. So, on the next episode, I'll be showing that to you. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this episode and you learn something new. Now, nga pala, before I forget, okay, so for you to win, I'll be giving away 2 sets of diamond paintings. For you to win this, all you have to do is just like, share, and subscribe. Comment, don't forget to comment down below so I can get your name at magbubunutan tayo sa ating next episode, okay? Always remember to smile and stay gorgeous. Ciao!